And I'm Almar Omos. And I'm Dave Dadap.
We're here to introduce to you our system, which is entitled Automated Indoor Vegetable Seed Grower.
Abstract. Planting plays an important part in the growth and development of a country. With this new method of planting indoor, large area of space may no longer be an issue because indoor gardening technology, where all environmental factors can be controlled, such as the control of light, temperature, and watering the plants. The study intends to determine the weaknesses of the traditional outdoor strategy of growing seed and to propose enhancements when necessary. Evaluated developmental research design were used in the study. Percentage, weighted mean, and paired t-test were used in the data analysis phase. Simple random sampling technique was used in the study, with researchers made questionnaire in data gathering. The findings revealed that the proposed system proved to have respondents preferred to use proposed automated indoor vegetable seed grower because the system provides the gardeners the easy way and minimizes the time and effort in planting seed crops that can help the gardener to be more efficient and productive.
This is the brain of our system. The LCD displays all of the status of the soil, temperature, time, and also it has a day monitor that tells you how many days the seed is in the light. If the day monitor reaches in day 4, there is a notification sent to the user that say the seeds are starting to sprout. There's also a light schedule to prevent the abnormality of the seeds. The light will turn on 7 to 9 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. only. The temperature sensor will also automatically turn off the light if the heat exceeds, and the tank will give water to the soil to stay moist in every 1 hour. And if the soil sensor detects dryness, it's also water the seeds. Also, we have an ultrasonic sensor that detects the tank is empty and will notify the user. All of the notification will send through the GSM module. Here's the picture of the seeds after the day 4.